मोटा मोटा आपको 3 दिन बहुत अच्छे ट्रेड के मिलते हैं, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे. There's another index which is also really coming up well. You will be able to increase the return on your. Welcome back, investors and traders. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst, and I have been posting a lot of my stocks, and I'm hoping that you are doing systematic investment in those, and you're also monitoring the process of investment. Like how much money are you deploying, and how much movement has happened, and when are you booking profit. All of that you are taking care of. Today, I'm going to talk about, two indexes, Nifty and Back Nifty. They are very popular indexes. There's another index which is also really coming up well. It's called Finnifty. So I'm going to talk about Finnifty today. When is its expiry? What kind of volumes appear? Where should one trade? All of it I'm going to discuss in this particular video. So let's go to the website, NSE's website, and read about what is Finnifty. So it says that the Nifty Financial Service Index is designed to reflect the behavior and performance of Indian financial market, which includes bank, financial institutions, housing finance, insurance companies, and other financial companies. The Nifty Financial Index comprises of 20 stocks that are listed on the NSE. Nifty Financial Service Index is computed using the free float market capitalization method, wherein the level of the index reflects the total free float market value of all the stocks in the index relative to particular base market capitalization value. So I just want to repeat in Hindi कि हम लोग बहुत पॉपुलर दो इंडेक्सेस को जानते हैं, निफ्टी को और बैंक निफ्टी को. आज हम बात करेंगे फिन निफ्टी की कि फिन निफ्टी क्या होता है और उसमें कैसे ट्रेड कर सकते हैं. तो उसके लिए मैंने आपके सामने एनएससी की वेबसाइट खोली हुई है और एनएससी की वेबसाइट ये बोलती है कि फिन निफ्टी जो है वो बेसिकली इंडियन फाइनेंशियल मार्केट का बिहेवियर रिफ्लेक्ट करती है, जिसमें कि हम सारे बैंक्स आते हैं, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस आते हैं, हाउसिंग फाइनेंस आता है, इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज आती हैं और अदर फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज आती है. अगर आप थोड़ा सा नीचे आके देखते हो तो आपको देखने को मिलेगा कि एचडीएफसी बैंक, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक, एचडीएफसी, कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक, स्टेट बैंक, बजाज फाइनेंस, एक्सिस बैंक, बजाज फिनसर्व, SBI Life Insurance and HDFC Life Insurance. Major components are these. So again, as in Bank Nifty, the components, major components are Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty are HDFC, ICICI Bank and HDFC Development Corporation. And Kotak Mahindra Bank, State Bank and Axis Bank. These are Bajaj Finance. These are major components. So in a way, हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि फिन निफ्टी जो है to quite an extent reflection of Bank Nifty. More percentage of Bank Nifty is reflected in Fin Nifty. Now let's go and understand कि I have shown you the weightage. So here is the weightage. HDFC Bank about 22%, ICICI Bank about 21%, HDFC about 14%, Kotak Mahindra Bank 9%, then State Bank of India 7%, Bajaj Finance about 7%, and so on and so forth. Now, after understanding कि इसके components क्या होते हैं, एक और यहाँ पे जाके आप देख सकते हैं कि कैसे contribution आता है. ये सारे आपके पास ये पूरी की पूरी लिस्ट है जो कि फिन निफ्टी के components है. बजाज फाइनेंस, बजाज फिनसर्व, चोलामंडलम, HDFC Asset Management, HDFC Bank, HDFC Life, HDFC, ICICI Bank, ICICI Lombard, ICICI Prudential, Indian Energy Exchange, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Muthoot Finance, Power Finance, REC, SBI, SBI Card, SBI Life Insurance, and Shriram Transport. So these are all the components of Fin Nifty. और आप देखेंगे कि आज के दिन अगर आप नोटिस करते हैं एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात, आपको पता है कि निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी हर थर्सडे को देयर इज अ वीकली एक्सपायरी. Whereas फिन निफ्टी की एक्सपायरी जो है वो के ऑप्शन की जो एक्सपायरी है वो ट्यूसडे को होती है. लाइक आज 18 तारीख है, 18th of October. Today was फिन निफ्टीज ऑप्शंस एक्सपायरी. Also I want to add here some more thing कि अगर हम फिन निफ्टी को देखते हैं तो फिन निफ्टी अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे आज इट वाज रेंज बाउंड. जो इशू है, जो मेजर इशू है फिन निफ्टी और फिन निफ्टी के फ्यूचर्स में वो इशू है वॉल्यूम का। वॉल्यूम्स ही नहीं होते हैं फिन निफ्टी में। अगर मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ फिन निफ्टी का, अगर आप फ्यूचर्स को देखते हैं तो limited volumes, only 22,160 contracts. Like, it's important point to be noted that the volumes traded in Fin Nifty are very, very small, only 22,160. But having said that, I also want to say that the volumes of the options are massive. See here, these are almost, I can say 22 crore call options were active, and almost like 30 crore put options were active. So huge volumes are traded in Fin Nifty in its options. And now a lot of people make money on Thursdays by selling options, by finding out the Nifty and Bank Nifty range. You can do the similar thing with Fin Nifty now. You can see how Fin Nifty's put option, which opened at about 43, made a high of 58, expired worthless. Just have a look at it. It just expired worthless. It never could cross the level of 40. Sorry, this is 1 minute. This is how it was. It just could never cross 58. First candle made a high of 58, and this candle also made a high of 58. That simply indicates a lot of sellers were active in Fin Nifty put options, and hence the put option expired worthless. Similarly, and एक और बात करते हैं, let's go and check what happens when you sell the options, how much money is needed. So here, you know what I have done, because today is already expired and Zerodha doesn't give, you know, the weekly, what do you say, margin calculation. So I'm taking the 25th October expiry, which is the next week, and I'm selling one lot of put, and I'm adding it up, and I've already added the call option. So you require only 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees for selling one lot of put and one lot of call options. If you make a straddle or strangle or iron condor or anything, I believe you will not need more than, in case, see, this is a straddle. In case you will buy far of put and far of call, this premium will further go down. So let's say I buy, so now it has become 117,000, and then I'm going to add 17,500 put, which I will buy. So now it has become 49,000. If you make, you know, proper hedge, I have taken at the money call and put, sold it, and then I have protected it with selling far of call option, buying far of call option, and buying far of put option. So I'm kind of reducing the margin, of course. So now my receivable will be about 11,000 rupees, and my investment is going to be only 49,000 rupees. So this is how Fin Nifty's option can be traded. You can make the way you make it in Bank Nifty, whichever like way you trade, you can always trade in Fin Nifty options as well. And the beauty of Fin Nifty options is that the liquidity is very, very high. So once again, how the Fin Nifty behaves, have a look at it. You can make a list of Fin Nifty components and see how they moved. And probably after opening, gap up opening, the market was range bound. And you can even see the same thing happen in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty almost opened gap up, quite nicely gap up, and after that Bank Nifty was pretty much range bound. And similar behavior you have seen was predicted, was visible in Fin Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty was range bound, Fin Nifty was range bound, and it had shown beautiful expiry today, and 18,000 put option expired worthless, and whereas the call has lost a premium of about 100 points. See, it made a high of 115. From there, it just closed at 22 rupees. Suppose in the morning you had sold both put and call together, so you would get at least about 150 points. Out of 150 points, it leftover points were only 21, means 130 points you would have made if you have sold Fin Nifty options in the morning. And the volumes are huge. The biggest point is that the volumes are huge. If the volumes are huge, entry and exit will be at the market order, right? That's a very, very good point to be noted. in case you look into the stock options, the market orders are not allowed. Why? Because the liquidity is not good. Whereas in Finnifty, Back Nifty, and Nifty options, you have the market orders, although there is little slippage in Finnifty because the liquidity is not as good as in Nifty and Back Nifty. तो again हिंदी में बोलती हूँ कि फिन निफ्टी के ऑप्शंस में आपको मार्केट ऑर्डर्स अलाउड है, बट क्या होता है कि थोड़ी सी स्लिपेज हो जाती है जब आप मार्केट ऑर्डर लगाते हो, तो एक दो पॉइंट ऊपर नीचे हो जाते हैं. जैसे बैक निफ्टी में इतनी ज्यादा स्लिपेज नहीं है, निफ्टी में इतनी ज्यादा स्लिपेज नहीं है, बट फिर निफ्टी में थोड़ी सी स्लिपेज ज्यादा है. और फिर निफ्टी जो है बैक निफ्टी को रेप्लिकेट करती है. और इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड इज कि फिन निफ्टी की एक्सपायरी ट्यूसडे को होती है, जबकि निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी ऑप्शंस की एक्सपायरी जो है थर्सडे को होती है. तो आपको एक और एडिशनल डे मिल जाता है. तो आप अगर आप ट्रेडिंग की बात करते हैं ना, तो लोग फ्राइडे को प्रेफर नहीं करते ट्रेड करना क्योंकि वॉल्यूम्स बहुत लो होते हैं. देन मंडे को भी लोग प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज गैप अप या गैप डाउन खुलता है तो बहुत ज्यादा प्रीमियम नहीं मिलते हैं. बट ट्यूसडे को आपको फिन निफ्टी मिलता है और वेडनेसडे से आप जो है निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी की तैयारी कर सकते हो. तो मोटा मोटा आपको 3 दिन बहुत अच्छे ट्रेड के मिलते हैं, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे. अगर आप ये 3 दिन पूरे यूटिलाइज करोगे, यू विल बी एबल टू मेक गुड मनी एंड you will be able to increase the return on your capital. So this is the information that I wanted to pass on to you about Finnifty. Keep trading, keep learning about stock market, and yeah, all the best and see you in the next video.